Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Murphy. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Let's get right into our reading lesson. For today's lesson, you're going to need a pencil and your workbook page 255. You can find that in your blue folder that we sent home a few weeks ago. As you're finding that, we're going to get started with reading our objective. Can you say, I can identify the characters, setting, and plot of a story called Hen Hears Gossip? Very good, boys and girls. Let's begin with a song, a phonics song that we've done quite a bit in the classroom and you guys seem to like.
The alphabet is filled with consonants and vowels. We write them, we read them. Each letter makes a sound. Well, we start with A, B, C. We go all the way to Z. The letters of the alphabet are fun for you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? We start with ABC and we go all the way to Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? We start with ABC and we go all the way to Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Each letter makes a sound. Let's sound them out now. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Each letter makes a sound. Let's sound them out now.
A, B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, O, A, P, Q, R, T, W, Y, A, B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, O, A, P, Q, R, W, yeah.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? We start with ABC and we go all
Very good, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a new story called Hen Hears Gossip. And while I'm reading, I'm going to ask that you be listening for the characters, the setting, and the main idea or key details. Okay, so when we're reading, we're going to practice rereading today. That means going back and reading something that maybe doesn't make sense or to clarify something. So again, a character, boys and girls, is a person, animal, or thing in the story. The setting is where the story takes place. So it could be inside, outside, at a zoo, at a farm, in the grocery store. Wherever it takes place is called the setting. And then the events are the different things that happen throughout the story in the beginning, the middle, and the end. All right, let's switch over now to our book. All right, we're going to read this story called Hen Hears Gossip. And this story, boys and girls, is called a fantasy. Can you say fantasy? Good job. Fantasy means that it's not true, and things that happen in this story can't happen in real life. Like the animals today will be talking. Can animals talk like us in real life? No, that's why we call this a fantasy. Let's get into the story. Hen Hears Gossip by Megan McDonald. Hen was scratching for bugs in the barnyard by the fence. Psst, psst, Pig whispered something to Cow. Gossip. Hen loved gossip. All right, we're going to stop right here and just reread and digest who is in the story so far. Hen was scratching for bugs. Can you see the hen in the picture, boys and girls? Good job. Right here is the hen. And it says she's in the barnyard by the fence. Psst, psst. Pig whispered something to Cow. Do you see pig or cow in the picture, boys and girls? You have very good eyes. Look up here. Cow's legs. I see the black and white from the cow. And I see the pig. What color are pigs? Good job. Pink. Very good. So they're sharing gossip, and Hen loves gossip. Hen put her ear up to the fence. Psst, psst, psst. Cow whispered something to Pig. Hen could not wait to tell her friends. We're going to stop right here and talk about what is gossip. Well, gossip, boys and girls, is when you share something that is maybe not true or maybe not your business. So gossip is not really good to share things that aren't true or not yours to share. Hen ran to tell Duck. Did anyone tell Hen what this was about, or did she overhear someone talking? Good, she overheard people talking. Is it good to go spread gossip? I don't think so, boys and girls. Let's keep reading. Duck, Duck, Sadie the dog has a thorn. What? Said Duck. Is that what Hen heard from the cow and the pig? No, so she's spreading gossip or rumors. Duck ran to tell Goose. Goose, Goose, Daisy the cat grew a horn. It went in the last page, boys and girls, from Sadie the dog has a thorn, and now they say the gossip has changed to Daisy the cat grew a horn. So are they sharing the right information? No. What? Said Goose. Goose ran to tell Turkey. Turkey, Turkey, the crazy bat raced a storm. Is that what they heard? No, they keep messing up the story as more people they tell. What? Said Turkey. Turkey ran to tell Hen. Hen, Hen, you're lazy, fat, and ate all the corn. What? Cried Hen. I did not eat all the corn. So Hen and Turkey went to look in the barn. The corn was not eaten. The corn was in the crib. "Goose, Goose," said Turkey, "why did you say Hen was lazy, fat, and ate all the corn?" "I didn't say that. I said that crazy bat raced a storm." Hen and Turkey and Goose looked up at the sky. The sun was shining, not a cloud in sight, or a bat. "Duck, Duck," said Goose, "why did you say the crazy bat raced a storm?" "I didn't say that. I said Daisy the cat grew a horn." Hen and Turkey, Goose and Duck went to look for the cat. Daisy had 2 pointy ears and 2 green eyes, but no horn. "Hen, Hen," said Duck, "why did you say Daisy the cat grew a horn?" "I didn't say that. I said Sadie the dog had a thorn." Hen and Turkey, Goose and Duck went to look for Sadie. Sadie did not have an itch or a scratch. Sadie was not in the blueberry patch. Sadie was on the porch, snoring. Hen ran to find Cow. "Cow, Cow," said Hen, "why did you tell Pig and Sadie the dog had a thorn?" "I didn't say that. I said my baby calf was born." "A new baby cow? Wow!" Hen called to the others. "A baby calf was born." "A fraidy cat was born," said Duck. "A lazy rat was born," said Goose. "A lady yak was born?" asked Turkey. "No, no, no," said Hen, "not a lady yak, not a lazy rat, not a fraidy cat. A baby calf was born." "A baby calf?" said the three. "Yippee! Let's go see." Hen and Turkey and Goose and Duck went to see the new baby. "Ah!" said Goose. "Oh!" said Turkey. "Kitcha, kitcha, coo!" said Duck. "Moo!" said Hen. So boys and girls, that's the end of the story. I want you to think first about what exactly was happening in this story. First, at the beginning, we saw that Hen was eavesdropping or listening in on someone else's conversation. Is it okay to do that? No. And she was listening in and she thought she heard something, so she went and ran and told a friend. And then the way she told a friend, that made him excited and wanted to tell someone. And he ran and told. But did he say exactly what Hen said? No, it kept going on and on and on of people saying the wrong thing. That's what happens when we spread gossip. We start misleading people and not telling the truth. So before we get any further, let's go back to our slides and think about, where was the setting of our story, boys and girls? Was it in the city or on a farm? Good, I heard boys and girls saying it was on the farm. Let's name some characters. We know we met Hen. Who else did we find? The cow. Ooh, the goose. The turkey. The cat. The dog. Very good, boys and girls. And we discussed that every time someone told their gossip, it got a little mixed up. So now we're going to do workbook page 255. Once you find this paper, I want you to point to number 1. I will read and you will circle the correct answer. I want you to circle on number 1 the picture that shows the character who loves to gossip. Who liked to gossip, Hen or the bat? Good, boys and girls, you got it correct. Circle the hen. Then point to number 2. This one you're going to do on your own. Circle the picture that shows where the story happens. Did the story happen at a farm or in the forest? Good, point to number 3. Circle the picture that shows what really happens to one of the animals. horn on the cat's head or a baby calf born? When you're